What do you know about halibut? How often do you eat it? And what are your favorite recipes that feature this fish? Let us know in the comments below. We're curious to learn more about how you enjoy halibut. I have some really fun recipes coming up with halibut, so stay tuned. But today we're talking about all the health benefits of halibut. So get ready to dive into the ocean of knowledge as we explore the amazing advantages of including halibut in your diet. Whether you're a seafood lover or a curious foodie looking to expand your culinary horizons, this video is for you. So let's dive in. The first thing we'll talk about today is the mild flavor. It's important to understand the taste of a fish before you start cooking it because it will help you pair it with the right ingredients. If you've never had halibut before, its mild flavor might surprise you. It doesn't have the strong taste of some other fish like salmon or tuna, which makes it a great option if you're not a big fan of fishy flavors. This delicate taste allows the natural flavors of the accompanying ingredients to shine through, making it a versatile canvas for your culinary creativity. Whether you prefer simple preparations or more elaborate dishes, halibut's mild flavor complements a wide range of seasonings, sauces, and cooking methods without overpowering them. Next is high in protein. Now, this is important for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining a healthy immune system. A 3-ounce serving of cooked halibut provides approximately 24 grams of protein. That's nearly half the amount of protein the USDA recommends for adults to consume daily. Including halibut in your diet can help you meet your protein requirements, especially if you're following a heart-healthy, low-saturated fat diet. For those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy body composition, halibut's high protein content can also help increase feelings of fullness and satiety, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Now, let's talk about grilling or baking. These are two popular methods for cooking halibut that help bring out its deliciousness. But did you know they also preserve nutrients? When you cook halibut, some nutrients like vitamin B12 and niacin may be lost. However, when you grill or bake halibut, you can minimize nutrient loss compared to other cooking methods like frying. Grilling and baking are gentler cooking methods that help retain more nutrients than pan frying or deep frying. They allow the fish to cook evenly without the need for excessive heat or moisture, preserving more of its nutritional content. Additionally, grilling imparts a smoky flavor to the halibut, while baking helps to keep it moist and flaky. Both methods are quick and easy, making them convenient options for a healthy and nutritious meal. Speaking of nutrients, let's dive deeper into that topic now. Halibut is actually packed with many essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to its health benefits. One notable nutrient in halibut is vitamin B12, which is important for maintaining healthy nerve cells and red blood cells. It also plays a role in DNA synthesis and cell division. A 3-ounce serving of halibut provides approximately 2.4 micrograms of vitamin B12, which is over 100% of the daily recommended intake. This makes halibut an excellent source of this essential vitamin, especially important for vegetarians and vegans who don't typically consume animal products. Another key nutrient in halibut is selenium. Selenium is a mineral that acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect cells against damage caused by free radicals. It also plays a role in thyroid hormone metabolism and immune function. A 3-ounce serving of halibut contains approximately 69 micrograms of selenium, which is nearly 100% of the recommended daily intake. Additionally, halibut is a good source of other nutrients like potassium, providing 37% of the daily recommended intake, and niacin, providing 28%. It also contains significant amounts of vitamin D, vitamin B2, riboflavin, and phosphorus. These nutrients contribute to overall health and well-being, and make halibut a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Next, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. Halibut is actually a great source of these healthy fats which are essential for brain health, reducing inflammation and supporting cardiovascular health. Omega-3 fatty acids are considered essential because the body cannot produce them, and therefore must obtain them through diet. A 3-ounce serving of halibut provides approximately 1.4 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, contributing significantly to daily intake recommendations. Incorporating halibut into your diet can help ensure you get enough of these important nutrients. Now, omega-3 fatty acids play several crucial roles in maintaining optimal brain function. They are vital for the structure and function of brain cells, supporting cognitive performance, memory, and concentration. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the brain, potentially protecting against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids are essential for fetal brain development during pregnancy and early childhood, supporting healthy cognitive development in infants and children. By consuming halibut, you can provide your body with these essential fatty acids, supporting overall brain health and function, and that's why experts recommend eating fish like halibut at least twice a week. Now, let's chat about another benefit of halibut, its potential anti-cancer properties. Research has suggested that the consumption of omega-3 fatty acids, which are abundant in halibut, may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, including breast cancer. Studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids can play a role in cancer prevention by reducing inflammation, promoting apoptosis, which is programmed cell death for those who are not familiar with that term, and regulating cell growth. Chronic inflammation has been linked to the development and progression of cancer. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce chronic inflammation in the body, potentially creating a protective effect against cancer. Apoptosis is a natural process by which cells self-destruct when they become damaged or abnormal, preventing them from becoming cancerous. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to promote apoptosis, helping eliminate potentially harmful cells. Cell growth regulation is another crucial factor in cancer prevention. Uncontrolled cell growth is a hallmark of cancer. Omega-3 fatty acids have been found to regulate cell growth, potentially inhibiting the growth of abnormal cells and reducing the risk of cancer development. While more research is needed to fully understand the relationship between omega-3 fatty acids and cancer prevention, the available evidence suggests that incorporating halibut into your diet may offer some protection against certain types of cancer. The anti-inflammatory, pro-apoptotic, and cell growth regulatory effects of omega-3 fatty acids make halibut a valuable addition to a cancer-preventive diet. Next, let's discuss another benefit of halibut, which is supporting eye health. Halibut is a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the function and health of the eye. It helps in the production of rhodopsin, a pigment that is essential for vision in low-light conditions. Vitamin A also helps maintain the health of the cornea and conjunctiva, which are the clear tissues that cover the front part of the eye. Additionally, vitamin A is involved in the production of mucus, which protects the surface of the eye and keeps it moist. It also supports the health of the retina, which is the layer of cells in the back of the eye that is responsible for detecting light and sending signals to the brain. Consuming halibut, which is rich in vitamin A, can help ensure that your eyes receive the necessary nutrients for optimal health and function. And lastly, we'll talk about eco-friendliness. Now, this is something that's often overlooked, but it's important to consider the environmental impact of our food choices. Atlantic halibut is a sustainable seafood option, as it is a species that is carefully managed to ensure its long-term viability. The Atlantic halibut fishery has implemented strict fishing regulations and measures to protect the species and its habitat. These measures include size limits, seasonal closures, and catch quotas to prevent overfishing. Additionally, the Atlantic halibut fishery is certified by the Marine Stewardship Council, which ensures that the fishery is well managed and environmentally friendly. Choosing sustainably sourced seafood like Atlantic halibut helps protect marine ecosystems and ensures that future generations can continue to enjoy this delicious and nutritious fish. By incorporating halibut into your diet, you can feel good knowing that you're making a responsible and eco-friendly choice. There you have it, folks. Those are just a few reasons why you should consider adding halibut to your diet. From its mild flavor and high protein content to its impressive nutrient profile and eco-friendly sourcing, halibut offers a lot of advantages for those looking to prioritize their health and well-being. So the next time you're at the grocery store or seafood market, why not pick up some halibut and give it a try? You may just be surprised at how much you and your body will love it. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up button below and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and delicious content. And be sure to visit our website for a wide selection of fresh, high-quality seafood delivered right to your door. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.